Israel is systematically targeting Palestinian identity by dismantling UNRWA, the United Nations agency established in 1949 through General Assembly Resolution 302 to serve Palestinian refugees since the Nakba. What is UNRWA? UNRWA, the United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestine refugees in the Near East, is an agency providing humanitarian, health, educational, and relief services to Palestinian refugees in the Middle East. Establishment and operation. Founded on December 8, 1949 under General Assembly Resolution 302, UNRWA operates in the West Bank, Gaza, Jordan, Lebanon, and Syria. 76 years later, hundreds of thousands of refugees remain displaced since 1948. Funding. UNRWA relies on voluntary contributions from United Nations member states, international institutions, governments, organizations, and private donors. The ban, Israel, long seeking to eliminate UNRWA, intensified efforts after October 7, citing baseless claims of staff involvement in an attack. Knesset passed a law on June 22, 2023, banning UNRWA in occupied Palestinian territory and areas under Israeli control. On February 17, 2025, Prime Minister Netanyahu announced its immediate implementation. Legality and impact. The ban violates the United Nations Charter, international law, and General Assembly Resolution 302, and undermines the United Nations Security Council Resolution 194, which affirms the right of Palestinian refugees to return. Closure would cut off education, healthcare, and essential services for hundreds of thousands of Palestinian children and refugees, especially in Gaza, where about 80% of the population depends on UNRWA, and would worsen poverty, instability, and the overall Palestinian cause.